Good morning, R2B2ers. We are at 2812 Southwest Sunset Road. Upon entrance, if you wouldn't mind signing into the guest registry. This is respectful to the sellers so they know who's coming and going and snooping around their property. Otherwise, if you come straight into the kitchen, we have lovely accoutrement from our sponsors at Lawyer's Title, vanilla flavored chapstick, levels, as well as little measuring tape contraptions, pretty fun. And then our standard R2B2 fare, we start over here, breakfast burritos made by some really fantastic community contributors, made from scratch. And then we have guacamole, salsa, and hummus that can go with the breakfast burritos, as well as some fresh cut veggies and colorful blue chips. This, my darlings, is what we would consider a happy plate here at R2B2. You've got a little cup of the granola with fresh fruit and yogurt. That little station is here, plus mimosas and some crushed fruit. Otherwise, we also today have coffee provided by Pete Sagels, courtesy of Lawyer's Title. And then we've also brought rum chata and champagne to go with your mimosas. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we open house with Realtor Robin and Graham Bonsall. So if this is something that looks exciting to you, come on down. What we ask is that you fill out this cute little feedback form so the sellers get some constructive thoughts to help improve their property and get it sold a little bit faster. The mommy is here too. Grandmama has visited and is filling out feedback. So thank you. We'll